daily routine objects from A to Z.
A is for alarm clock.
B is for bed. Bed.
C is for comb. Hello! D is for desk. E is for envelope.
F is for faucet.
G is for glass. H is for hairbrush.
I is for iron.
J is for jacket. K is for key. L is for lamp.
M is for mirror. N is for notebook.
O is for oven. P is for pillow. Q is for quilt. R is for refrigerator.
S is for slippers.
T is for toothbrush.
U is for umbrella.
V is for vase. W is for watch.
X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow towel.
Z is for zipper bag. Z is for zipper bag. Bye-bye, kids. Thanks for watching ABC Grok. Please subscribe, like, and share my video.